Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English Grammar with Shikha Gaur, and in this video I am going to talk about possessive nouns. So before moving on to that, I want to really apologize for not being here for a long period of time, but now I'm here with a new series of the content on my channel. So I would like to begin with this session with the topic possessive nouns. So I would like to begin now. So what are possessive nouns? It is one of the types of nouns, and possessive nouns होते हैं जो भी nouns किसी भी चीज़ की ownership को show करे, उन nouns को बोलते हैं. जो भी nouns जो ownership को show करते हैं वो होते हैं possessive nouns. या फिर आप ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं, कोई भी पर्टिकुलर चीज़ अगर किसी पर्सन से, किसी चीज़ से या किसी भी पर्टिकुलर थिंग से अगर बिलोंग कर रही है, उसकी है, उस पर्सन की है या उस इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड है, तो दैट इज़ नोन एज पोजेसिव नाउन. सो जो पोजेसिव नाउन हैं वो अलग अलग चीज़ें हमें शो करता है, जिससे हमें पता चलता है कि वो पोजेसिव नाउन है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, first is to show possession. First of all, it is the nouns that are showing the ownership. Yeah, particular thing, that particular thing to which that thing belongs, or to that person which it belongs. So that is possessive noun. Next is to show relationship. So here is one example given: mother's cousins. So that means cousins of the mother. Okay, तो मदर के कज़न्स हैं, तो रिलेशनशिप शो हो रहा है थ्रू पोजेसिव नाउन्स. नेक्स्ट इज़ टू शो ऑथरशिप. अब देखिए, इतने सारे राइटर्स होते हैं और उनके अलग अलग प्लेज हैं, वो नॉवेल्स लिखते हैं, स्टोरीज लिखते हैं, तो दैट पर्टिकुलर प्ले बिलोंग्स टू some person or the author, here we say, है ना. So it also shows, the possessive nouns shows the ownership, right? So shows the ownership of the particular writer, so it is showing the authorship, right? So the next is with personified inanimate objects. So first of all, let us understand what is personified. Personified means the things that are having the things, or we can say the inanimate objects that are having the qualities of human beings. Those are personified objects. Okay, so for example, here it is written the moon's gentle light. तो मून जो है उसकी जेंटल लाइट, मून की जेंटल लाइट, जो हल्की सी लाइट है, जेंटली इट इज स्प्रेडिंग एवरीवेयर. सो दैट इज पर्सोनिफाइड इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे पर्सोनिफाइड ऑब्जेक्ट है, इट इज़ मून की लाइट, तो इनएनिमेट ऑब्जेक्ट है मून, सो इट इज़ इट. नेक्स्ट इज टू शो ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ मंथ्स वेकेशन, weeks delay. Okay, these are some of the examples that are being shown to you on the whiteboard. And so जब भी हम possessive nouns को form करते हैं, तो towards the end of that noun we write or we add apostrophe s. तो through apostrophe s we can say that that particular noun is having the possessive quality. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope this video will be helpful to you in some way. So stay tuned with my channel because I'm back. So that's it. Thank you so much, and if you're new on my channel, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.